Hi friend, in this video we are going to learn sports terms and their full terms, and in the first part we will discuss the terms started with letter A. So whatever the abbreviations we will see here, all started with A. So let's see what are those words. This AAAA, AAFI, AAG, AAI, ABFI, ACA, ACC, AFC, AGF, AIBA, AICF, AICS, AIFA, AIFF, AITA, AKFI, and ASOIF. So let's begin with the first AAA. So what is the full form of AAA? It's Asian Amateur Athletics Associations. Asian Amateur Athletics Associations. Now the next one is AAFI. So the full form of AAFI is Amateur Athletics Federations of India. Amateur Athletics Federations of India. Now next one is AAG. The full form of AAG, Afro-Asian Games. Afro-Asian Games. The next one is AAI. So the full form of AAI is Archery Associations of India. AAI full form Archery Associations of India. Next abbreviation is ABFI. The full form of ABFI is Amateur Baseball Federations of India. Amateur Baseball Federations of India. The next one is ACA. ACA. The full form of ACA is Australian Cricket Associations. Full form of ACA, Australian Cricket Associations. The full form of ACC. So let's see what is the full form of ACC. Is here Asian Cricket Council. Asian Cricket Council. The next one is AFC. So the full form of AFC is American Football Conference. AFC, American Football Conference. The next one is AGF. The full form of AGF is Asian Games Federations. Asian Games Federations. The next one is AIBA. AIBA. So the full form of AIBA is Amateur International Boxing Associations. Amateur International Boxing Associations. Next one is AICF. The full form of AICF is All India Chess Federations. Next one is AICS. AICS. The full form of AICS, All India Council of Sports. All India Council of Sports. The next one is AIFA. The full form of AIFA is All India Football Associations. All India Football Associations. The next one is AIFF. The full form of AIFF is All India Football Federations. The next one is AITA. The full form of AITA is All India Tennis Associations. All India Tennis Associations. The next one is AKFI. The full form of AKFI is Amateur Kabaddi Federations of India. Amateur Kabaddi Federations of India. The next one is ASOIF. The full form of ASOIF is Associations of Summer Olympics International Federations. ASOIF full form Association of Summer Olympics International Federation. So friends, this is the last one, and hope you will find it very interesting for your competitive examinations and in various examinations. So if you like this, then please subscribe my channels and like the video. Thank you.